All right, so I've had the RV for a few years now, and this engine monitoring system is 30 years old. It was in 1992, so it's 31 now. And I want to do a little upgrade. I like the steamer, kind of classic look, but I like the reliability of a glass panel. So I have a Era 660 slaved to my autopilot, and the G5, which is not hardwired to anything. It's kind of self-sufficient. It's got a backup battery and all that, but it does have the pitot static in here, so it's pretty accurate. Old transponder, old VOR, and then my VSI. So with the new glass, I should be able to have the synthetic gauges if I really miss this setup, but I'll have synthetic vision and highway in the sky, boxes, all of that as a trade-off. What I'd like to do is put either one 10.6 right here where the six-pack is, or a 10.6 and a 10.6, and then move this G5 up and put a autopilot controller here. I think it's a GMC 307, and then either the navigator, like a GTN 650, or one of the GNX, I think is one of the models, the new ones, but they don't have VOR. The only one with VOR built in is the old GTN 650. So anyhow, the newer navigation radios are a little thinner than the GTN 650. So I may be able to get this up just a tiny bit because everything's so low. The angle of viewing may be a little more difficult. So what I've started is I've got a panel started, and this is going to go in. This is directly from Vans. It was, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks. And then these are just the stickers from Garmin. I'd like to do the 10.6 G3X Experimental right there in the top middle, or two lower ones. And I already have 370, a GDU 370. So this is the GDU 460. The 465 has the Sirius XM, so you can get your weather. ADS-B already has that, so Sirius XM, you can also get music and stuff, but it's 40 bucks a month more. So that's the plan. 10.6, 10.6, the G5 controller, and then the navigator. So this will be an IFR aircraft after that. I'll have to get it heated, pitot, and a few other things. But that's it for now. I'll take you through the buying process and the installation process as we go.